Hey everyone, it's Lisa from MOONPRISM Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. So today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of August 31st, so the first week of September, in my medium vertical Recollections planner. This is the kit by Shop Jessica Hearts, and if you want to see this pre-plan where I've already laid down all of these stickers for what I know is coming up in the week, then I'll have that video linked down below, or it'll pop up in the card so you can check it out after you watch this. But for the meantime, I'm just going to fill in all these white spaces that I leave here because I don't like to leave white spaces in my planner. So I'm going to fill them in with my memory keeping, and so this is how I memory plan. So I'm going to start with a envelope, or it's like a Happy Meal envelope from Cozy Paper Co., which is a shop that I PR for. I have my discount codes linked down below. And then a script from Letters to Apollo that says craft, because I did a little crafting because I made birthday cards for some birthdays that I had coming up this week. So I didn't have any like birthday cards. I didn't want to just go out and buy them, I like to kind of make them and decorate the envelopes and stuff like that. So I also used a couple of transparent dots from the Giving Girl because I love my little transparent dots. Then I'm going to take a half box from the kit and then a postal carrier truck from Crafts by Thaowie. And that's because I had to take those cards to the post office. Actually, the birthdays weren't this week. The birthdays were actually the week prior. So I was kind of like late mailing out the cards. But anyways, then I'm going to take a page marker dash divider thingy from the Giving Girl, and then a submarine sandwich from Inspire Ever After. And I'm going to layer that with some more dots from the Giving Girl, as well as a heart from Colored Daze, which is, it's like her Nikki Plans collab sampler. So that's a heart that Nikki drew. And anyways, the reason I marked the sandwiches was because we always have Sandwich Sunday in our house, and it's like our favorite day of the week because we make like super fancy sandwiches, not just like a PB&J for dinner, like we make them super involved. We get the nice artisanal bread, artisanal, or like really nice submarine sandwich bread from the bakery, stuff like that. And we usually have Sandwich Sundays, but we ended up not doing it for Sunday for some reason. We ended up doing it on Monday. And then for my gratitude, I just wrote that I was grateful for the moon and crystals, my crystals, obviously. For Tuesday, I'm going to start at the bottom because I have this really big box and I want to make sure I can fit everything. Spoiler alert, I couldn't. But this huge like box of this little office scene is from my newest addiction, from a sampler I've held on to for so long. And this is the day that we finally started working on my office, because we've been slowly reorganizing the house during quarantine. Especially because my husband and I are both not working, so it's like the perfect time. We have all this extra time on our hands, and there's so much organization and crafts and like projects that need to be done in the house, and we never had time to do, with full-time jobs. So finally, the office was saved for last because it was the one that was going to take the most work. So I just used that as like a way to mark that, especially because like I said, it's going to take a lot of work. It's going to take a lot of hours, so it did take up a lot of our day. We're still not even done. We're not even close to done, but we started. Then we started a new show. So I have this script that's perfect that says start new show, and it's from Letters to Apollo. And I used a little thing from the kit and just wrote the boys. It's like an Amazon Prime show. I'm going to use a little squiggly arrow from Colored Daze just to put that right there. And it's such a good show. It's actually, it's not rated very good, but I don't know why, unless there's like prudy patties that are over here rating it bad, because it isn't like, it's not like a family friendly kind of show. It's really good though. I really recommend watching it. It's about superheroes, but like my husband and I have kind of decided it's kind of like if superheroes were like what they actually were. Like if we really had superheroes, they would really act like that. Like some of them would be selfish, some of them would have drug problems, like it's like real life. If we had superheroes, it's really funny and exciting and crazy. So I like the show. We're already on season 2. Then I realized that it was Ginger Cat Appreciation Day, and I do have a ginger cat, kind of. He's more like a really light tan color, but I just wanted to mark it anyway because I kind of think he is ginger. So I used a cute little ginger cat. Penny from Aurora and Avalon Creations is another shop that I PR for, just to mark that with another little thing down there at the bottom. And then for my gratitude for Tuesday, I wrote my ginger cat because I love my kitty. He's our only one. We do want to get some more, especially want to get a black cat because I love black cats, but right now, he's our only one, my baby. He's 5 years old. Then moving on to Wednesday, I'm going to take a Target bag, and I think this is from Rose and Tea Shop, but I wasn't totally sure because it was from one of my like leftover sheets. That was that paper that you saw me take the sticker off of. It was my reusable sticker paper, And that's because we had to make a Target trip. And then I'm going to use a little thing because we also had to go to Sam's Club after Target. So I used a grocery bag from Dash With Me Designs, which is another shop that I PR for. Again, the code is down in the description box. So we had to do some shopping, and then also it was a full moon, so I charged my crystals. I used a charge crystals tracker from Aurora and Avalon Creations, and I just kind of layered it with a couple of sparkly confetti headers from Cozy Paper Co. because I wanted, I don't know, kind of a bougie box kind of feel to go behind it. And that was actually, that sheet was my freebie, my 50 plus freebie. When your order is over $50 at Cozy Paper Co. and you put my name in the notes, you get the $50 freebie, which is that clear one. So decided to layer those. For Wednesday's gratitude, I wrote self-control because I have been working on, you know, changing like my diet, but as a lifestyle, you know, not just like, oh, I'm going on a diet, you know. Y'all know I've been on Weight Watchers for over a year, but it was working and I was doing really great, and then I kind of plateaued for a long time, and I realized it's because I was not like, I went back to kind of my old habits, and luckily I didn't gain a bunch of weight back. I just kind of plateaued. But still, like, I need to, you know, have more self-control and make it a lifestyle change and not just a diet. So I was happy that I had more self-control that day because it's a healthier lifestyle, and I'm trying to work towards that consecutively, you know, consistently. Anyways, for Thursday, I just put in that I had to edit my haul. I actually had to upload a haul on Wednesday, but I didn't actually upload it on Wednesday. I filmed it on Wednesday. So Thursday I was editing my haul, so I used some little dots from the Giving Girl and then an edit like icon from Crafts by Thaowie. Then I'm going to use one of these beautiful mandalas from Honey Inked. I just recently hauled a bunch of her gorgeous stickers, so I have never used the mandalas before, so sorry if it looks weird. I'm still trying to get used to them. They look so pretty whenever I see other people use them. Anyways, I'm going to take a half box from the kit, some more dots, and like a side bow dot from the Giving Girl, and then a script from the Giving Girl that says take a walk, because my son and I went for a walk. Finally, the weather is starting to cool down enough at night that it's not like 100 million degrees outside and it's too hot to walk. So we decided to go for a walk. I'm so excited. I love fall, y'all. Anyways, and then I just used a divider from Simply Watercolor Co. and cut it, and I kind of used the extra line there because I thought it would look cute. I don't know. I just like to do that sometimes when I want to fill in some random spaces. My gratitude on Thursday I wrote was my the sun and the moon, because it was just like a beautiful night and a beautiful day. For Friday I didn't really have any space to do anything, so I just marked the bills that I paid and wrote that I was grateful for a Sailor Moon notebook because my in-laws came by, I think, to drop off something, and then she also happened to was like, oh, I got you this notebook, and it was really cool. It was a really cool Sailor Moon notebook, so I was grateful that she had brought that for me. On Saturday, just checked off the things that I did while I was at work, and then nothing else really happened. My son did go to his dad's house for the weekend because he did have the long Labor Day weekend, so I'm using a Dad's House script from Cozy Paper Co. Again, PR code in the description down below, or you can just put Lisa in the notes. And that is going to be layered with like the little flag and icon from the kit. And then in my half box there, I always leave that blank because we watch a movie or a TV show or something every Saturday, and I like to mark it in there, you know, like a little tradition of what we do. So I'm going to take a TV icon from Wild Summer Designs, again, another shop that I PR for, link, and the code is down in the description, and some more dots from the Giving Girl because I love her dots. And I just wrote in that we finished The Boys, the season 1 finale. So we've been so obsessed with the show, we literally started on Tuesday and finished the first season on Saturday. I think there's only 10 episodes in the season, but they are like an hour long each. So we really like the show. Like I said, we're already almost finished with not almost finished. We're kind of halfway through season 2, I think. So anyways, that was my Saturday. I also wanted to I felt like it was kind of a weird space right there on Friday. I just wanted to go back in there and put something cute. So I took this little flowery divider from the Honey Inked sampler I got from them. And for my Saturday gratitude, I wrote The Boys because we were just like having such a great time watching it. And it's like nice that we could watch it when my son was at his dad's house because there can be some raunchy scenes and we gotta make sure he's like not gonna hear our TV. But when he's gone, it's like we don't gotta worry about it. So I was like just grateful we finished The Boys, and it's such a cool show. So that's what I wrote. Sunday, I just wrote Dad's house again because he was still there. He was there until Monday. And then we went to Krispy Kreme and picked up some donuts. So I'm going to use the pumpkin icon from Wild Summer Designs again. We did the pumpkin, what is it? They have 4 new pumpkin flavors, and they are very good. I don't really recommend anything but the cheesecake, though. Like, the glazed one was pretty good. The cake pumpkin cake was okay. They also had pumpkin cinnamon bun, which was, again, is okay. It wasn't the best. But the pumpkin cheesecake, y'all, oof, that is like the best donut. So good. Anyways, so amazing. And then I just used a divider from Honey Inked because, you know, it looked pretty. And I wrote that I was grateful for, it looked, I messed up my handwriting, but I wrote I was grateful for the unemployment application because I had to file my unemployment and we ran out of, like, I exhausted it already. I mean, I've been unemployed since March, so thanks to COVID. But thankfully I could file for emergency unemployment and then get that. So I was grateful for that. Anyways, that's everything for this plan with me, for this memory plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, because it really helps me out and I really appreciate your support. Definitely leave me a comment down below if you have a question about anything or just want to say hi, and I'll say hi back. And definitely be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any more of my videos. I try to upload 3 videos a week, but at minimum I do 2 every week. So be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of those. Hope that y'all take care. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Stay safe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.